Hello, my name is Alberto from the MDC GTO in APJ and a member of the Avengers team. In this video, I will show you a demo of Project Nebula. Nebula attempts to automate operations of a cloud storage colocation solution with Ansible. We have prototyped solutions for the initial provisioning and for adding storage later. In this video, we use vSphere as the target cloud, but we have also tested AWS and GCP. The backend storage options at this point are Unity and Flex. For a new provisioning, we need to provide a VM name, the amount of storage to provision, and where to mount it. Nebula then sends an API call to Ansible Tower, which triggers a job template with the specified parameters. Now the playbook on the job template runs. The first step it takes is to go to Unity and create a file system, an NFS share. So here you can see how the call has come in. There's an active job. And after a few seconds, the file system and the NFS share have been created. The next step is to create a new virtual machine in vSphere, and it does so by cloning a template. Before continuing, Ansible needs to make sure that there is an IP address so that it can configure the virtual machine via SSH. Once the virtual machine gets an IP address, the playbook can continue. It will now attempt to install the NFS client so that it can mount the NFS share from Unity. And now you can see it's done already and it's been mounted. Now let's open a terminal and verify that the file system is indeed mounted and we can write to it. There it is, Nebula and NFS 01. It's been mounted on the /data folder. And we have successfully created a file on it. Now for day 2 operations, let's say we want to add some new storage, but maybe we need a different service level. So this time we're going to select Flex, and we're going to mount it on a different directory, 8 gig this time. A new API call is sent to AWS with Ansible Tower, which triggers a playbook, an Ansible playbook run. The playbook first will attempt to install the SDC, the Flex client, onto the virtual machine. Here you can see that the client has been already installed and registered with the cluster. And then it creates a volume on Flex. That's the volume. And you can see it's been already mounted. Now on the terminal, we can see that the new volume coming from Flex has been mounted to the logs directory, and that we are able to create a file on it. Thanks for watching.